I say straight back into the woods back here.
So that's your neighbor's house. So right back here.
Yep. That is badass.
And now, will they climb up trees that tall too?
Yeah, man, they're at the top of all of them. And I've watched them cover themselves up too. So if you see anything moving,
What the fuck is that?
that's one of their nests.
I'm gonna take a. Here, let me get down low and see what the fuck that is. Am I tweaking?
No, you're not. That's what I've been trying to tell everyone.
There's another one.
Yep.
What in the fuck? Trying to see around.
Can you get like? You see that shit? That's one. That's their camp. That's their camp right there. That's where I found
Real shit.
real shit. That's where I found them on the ground. Hear them talking? Oh, that's them over there. Never mind.
How far does that thing fly?
I can go all the way to, on a full battery, you know, the Walmart